Hello, welcome to ASCADEX Provisional Patent Help. So I have here what's supposed to be your imaginary invention drawing. I'm putting the finishing touches on the drawings so that I can send it over to you. I call this invention the COVID-19 Zipper. Now, just looking at this, of course, it's a face mask, but there is so much going on in this face mask that meets the eye. This is COVID-19's worst nightmare. And so I want you to imagine that this is your invention, and I'm going to put the finishing touches on it, and so that I can send it over. And right now this should give you an insight into how we patent illustrators prepare the invention drawings for our clients. And so I want you to notice also that the drawing is laid out so that it is in line with the US Patent Office standard. Notice that we add the page numbers and the figure numbers on the bottom. And also you notice that each drawing is within the margin as set by the US Patent Office. So when we work on a drawing, when we finish the drawing, we convert the drawing to PDF, and this is how the drawing comes out. We convert all 3 pages to PDF, and it comes out like this. Now notice the figure number, the page number, and the figure number, and see how well defined the line is that makes up the drawing. Let's see how figure 2 will come out. Figure 2 will look like this, and everything is within the margin as set by the US Patent Office. And figure 3 will come out like this. Now when we finish the drawing, we convert the drawing to PDF, or we print out the drawing paper form, or you can print out the PDF into paper form. You use the paper for if you want to file through the mail, or you can just use our PDF. It's ready to be filed with the US Patent Office. But before you can file the drawing, there are a lot more things you need to do with the drawing, and which is the basis of this entire course: how to add reference numbers to your drawing. And we stated that the COVID-19 Zipper, there is more to it than meets the eye. Just looking at the invention right now by means of the drawing, it's just an ordinary face mask. But you and me are going to go on a journey to bring out all of the features of this invention in our patent application. And by the time we are done, you will see that the drawing is more than just pieces of line work. So in the next video and in the subsequent video after that, we are going to prepare our drawing for labeling, and then we're going to add reference numbers, and in the end we will complete the preparation of our drawing for filing with the US Patent Office. So see you at the next video.